Hi everybody, Amanda here from Dog Mom Days with Winston, Mackenzie, and Chloe. We are doing part 2 of our NomNomNow video review. So I have everybody's dinner set here. These are the packets that it came in. Winston's is tasty turkey fare. Looks delicious. Sit, stay, break. Good boy. Mackenzie is the Porkalicious potluck. Mackenzie, sit. Break. Good girl. Going ham on it. And Chloe's is the chicken chow wow. Chloe, sit. Chloe, sit. Chloe, sit. Break. Good girl. And Mackenzie's is gone. Winston is kind of making a mess of his over here, but that's okay. He never leaves any remnants. My Siamese cat is also always interested in the NomNomNow. So as you can see, all three of my dogs absolutely love this food. They are completely spoiled with it. It is amazing. There goes Winston getting all of his remnants. So I recommend it to anyone and everyone who wants a super high quality, healthy food for their dogs, and it's delivered to your door. How does it get any better than that? So there's a code on my blog for a 50% off discount of your first week's order. So head to my blog, dogmomdays.com, to take advantage. Was that good, Mackenzies? Good girl.